Okay, instead of live streaming, we're just going to record this because live streaming ain't working. So, show must go on. February 26th. Looking for a breakout short. Let's just scan all the pairs. MES looks a lot better for shorts. High conviction. MES has more room, I would say. So we're going to trade MES for the short side of things. Go, got that breakout, 9 points. Aiming for that 40 points, which could definitely reach lower. Could even go for a lot more points. So I will go first for 40 points, and then I would take off more. This is 8 contracts. So we're aiming for 9 points to start. There we go, we just hit that. Entry. So what I would do in this case is I would have I would have 3 take profits. Next take profit is 40 points. Another 50%. Boom, we hit that target, smash that target. Their next one is 98 points. I'm gonna ask Gemini. Recording is so bad, bro. It's so laggy, it's so bad. Gemini should give me this properly. It's so laggy. It disgusts. Maybe if I plug this in, bro. Right, so not that bad. Took 4 trades so far. Took 4 trades so far, and we are in the money. We're in the money. We're up 6R. It's pretty good. Move to the next day. February 27th, 9:30. MES is saying no. MQ no. MGC no. Let's see, 15-minute. So that's fair. We would not trade this Friday. Would be done trading for the day because we're in shock, which means the moves are way too volatile to even be trading breakouts. So I'm pretty satisfied with how that backtesting week went. We move on to March 2nd, 9:30. See how we're looking. So we have to keep our MacBook plugged in. We're in shock. We're in shock. Chop likely. Let's check the 15 minutes. So we would not trade March. We would not be trading March 2nd. Let's see how it performs though. We went straight up, so we missed out on that move. On M and Q. We went straight up about 150 points. We're in shock. There's nothing I can do. I can't be trading this. And actually, I remember trading in March. This is when I blew my funded accounts that it was actually such weird price action that it was just not even really good to trade at all. March 4th. So I'm kind of glad that it's telling me that we should not be trading any of these pairs. So MGC is good. Let's check the 1 minute. Won't be trading M and Q. MES is looking really good for shorts, but the bias is long. Gold. We'll be trading MES for March 4th. And I want to be looking for shorts, but right now we're looking for longs. We'll see if that flips. We had a MS market structure shift on my friend's money printer for a short. We're shifting for shorts. We're almost there. There we go. All green light for some shorts. 12-point stop. Aiming for 34 points. It's going to be take profit 1. We definitely have room to go to take profit 2, 34 points. We'll mark that out. And we'll mark out 12 points down. Just about there. 12 points down. Let's go. Risking 4 contracts. Nice rejection. Just got stopped out. So we'll track that. Entry. Close price for that was MES for 4 contracts. Let's see. 4 contracts. March 4th. March 4th, 9:40 a.m. We went short. Took a loss. 240. I would still be biased to go short. We can even check out on how gold is doing. Gold, we have those buyers still. Personally, I'm still biased to go short MES. We're back into that range. I'm really still liking the shorts. So we took out these highs. We're bullish again. Making new highs. MES. Made new highs. Technically, we should be going long here. So I'm going to take the technical trade, even though it doesn't look appealing. Just going to take the technical trade, and we want to see first just that 12-point move. All right, so we got our 12 points. This was the technical trade that does not look appealing, but we have to take that trade because it's a part of our rules. So we went long. MES, we're long 4 contracts. So take profit 1 is 34 points up. And I would probably take full profits here at 34 points. 34 points up or 34 points down. building a base. So what I'm seeing is we're building a base. We could have a strong breakout even for 82 points. So we'll take one contract off. I think we just reached there. Yeah, we just reached that. So we'll take one contract off. Boom. And then our close price, we will hold it for 82 points or until 4 p.m. Until the end of the day. Until the trading session ends, basically. And here I'm seeing if we just move our stop to break even at this point, it wouldn't be a bad area to move it. But then again, it's just like one contract really. So we held it. $38. It's a win, man. March 4th, 10 a.m. So the losing day turned into a slightly winning day. Not bad for March price action, in my opinion. Let's go to the next day, March 5th. March 5th, let's see where we're at. We're in shock. 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 Quickly check that 15-minute. So March 5th, we're just not even trading this day. But on M&Q, I just want to see how it moved. So we went up. Looks like she would have been a full take profit day because price, this would be our entry. Price just took off. So shock basically means like the moves are way too volatile to get, um, like see how it just went up, like bro, like price, but still that first initial move was profit, went up like 140 points and then down 200 points, but still that is like enough. So I'm just keeping track of the shock system because we say don't trade it, but if it's gonna move like that, then we should be in those moves. So we skip that day, we'll go to March 6th. Still in shock. Still in shock. 1 minute. Shock. High conviction though. See, gold is saying it's a high conviction trend day. So I want to see if it really is. Oh, wow, it is. We went just straight up. Those high convictions are quite interesting. Even in the shock period for gold, something like that, that's a good money right there. So March 9th now. Basically, we're looking for the pairs that are trend day and in high conviction. So chop likely, we don't want that shock. Let's check 15-minute. Yeah, no good. Let's just see how it performs. Which one is trend likely? None of them. So let's see if it's really chop. M&Q is really chop. So see, like stepping back on funded accounts, when you have price action like that, you don't want to be participating in stuff like that. And this is exactly why I created the playbook. So we'll go to March 10. This will be the last one. Shock. So like, do you have the discipline to just not be trading these days? right? We'll just get one so we have a base. Nothing. March 12th. Surely we get a day to trade this week. But if not, high conviction, M and Q. It's high conviction. But still shock. So I want to see M and Q perform since it was a high conviction day. But just nothing really too clean. March 13. High conviction on gold. But no trade days. High conviction on MES and gold. But just nothing really. We had strong push down though, but after all that manipulation. So this one March 9th to March 13th, we took no trades. Like really, we took no trades. All right, let's check it out. M&Q and shock, gold and shock. So there's really no trading setups here in the month of March. And March was bad price action, so this is not something that I am like really concerned about. Like this is exactly what I want to be avoiding. Possible MES. Let's see it again. Let's see what's better. Looks like gold could possibly be the winner here. We're gonna take it off. We're gonna take the shorts on gold if we can get some shorts. Because we got some high conviction confluence on gold. Wow, it's just pushing right up. But still have those sellers in control. So what I want to see is a green light on everything in order to get into these longs. There we had it right here. Right on this candle, we had the longs. Now, it's there. She flipped right here, right? Let me just see it again. She flips. Buyers are coming in. No, the next candle. Next candle we went long. With a 9-point stop loss. Just came 4 contracts. So a little bit of a bigger push. Aiming for 37 points on gold, which is quite a hefty amount. So right at 9 points, we're taking off 2 contracts. Let's see how we go. Put in some top signals. And full loss right there, so that's okay. Let's see how MES did. Thank you. I wanted that high conviction. So I'll do that. Close price. Four contracts on gold. March 17, 941. 9:41 a.m. Now we can be looking for shorts possibly soon. This is tricky. This is tricky shorts. Could definitely be selling the bottom. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. Gold, yeah, yeah, yeah. Gold was a big losing day. 4 contracts. This was a loss. This was a loss. Long, short. We're at 4R. So gold did not treat us that well. That's pretty much done for the day. March 18th. M&Q is looking juicy for long, so let's see how M&Q performs. Our bias is short. Longs look good. I just need to see that flip. We had that flip right there on this bar, I believe it was. Let's see, let's go back. And long 44-point stop loss. Yikes. Instantly stopped out. So that's 2. That's 3 losses in a week. Quite the big losses too. March 18th, 9:42. Now we tap back into that. Just want to see that flip long again. Almost there. Now we're going short. Oh, we got a long signal there. Believe it was this candle for another 44-point stop. We're still in March, so March was tough price action to trade through. So I'm really testing these risk control limits. There we go. We got stopped out. March 18th at about 10 a.m. Took 2 longs. Loss. Loss. 4 contracts. Boom! We're right back at 1 hour pretty much. So that's 4 losses in a row. We would basically just move on from the 18th. We would stop trading from this point on. From the 18th, we would stop trading from this point on. And we would wait till Monday. We would wait till Monday. In shock. Gold in shock. In shock. In shock. Boom. Move on to the next day. So March, this is actually really great risk parameters that I'm noticing for March because I don't want to be trading a bunch and blowing a bunch of accounts if the markets are not ideal to be trading my system because my system comes in waves where it has really, really strong performance. And then if you have periods like March where it's like just price action is just ridiculous, then we want to be out of that. We don't want to be trading. We should be disciplined enough to just sit on our hands and work on other things. So March 24th was gone. We'll get one more, and then I'm gonna end it for there. All right, it's done. It's done. Nothing. Absolutely nothing for March. March 26th. I remember thinking, man, March is gonna be such a good time to be trading. It's my like March is just I was just so prepared for March, and March did not perform, to say the least. So I would say let's trade. Definitely would be trading MES for some shorts, or sorry, for some longs. So let's see how she performs. Almost there for selling, but not there. There it is. There's our short signal. 13 points. Very wide stop loss. Aiming for 39 points. Instantly stopped out. Three contracts on MES. March 26, 9:35. Now wait a minute, because we had some long opportunity here. Wait a minute. Where do we go long? Let's see, March 26. Let me just fix a chart. March 26, there was some long opportunities that I want to see. March 26, right? March 26. So we hit take profit one. Hmm. We're gonna aim for 95 points on this one. Nope. Not happening. Lost $7 on that one. I would just say it's a break-even trade at that point. Um, so yeah, that's 12, 12 trades, and this is just I'm just gonna end the session here, but I will be back for backtesting part two to fill out like the next 12 trades or whatever. And the end of February started good, but the month of March was a tough period to be trading. Um, Let me see here. Gold. Gold was two losses, but it's not showing up on the stats. That's probably why. There we go. Check the fix now. So MGC, two losses. MES was profitable. MNQ basically break even. Um, yeah, so week 9 and 10 was good. Week 12 and 13, that month of March was difficult period. So anyways, I'm gonna end it here and I'll be back for a second stream, second recording for backtesting later in the day. Peace.